Hi friends, here is a simple problem on how to calculate range of a function. Okay, we are given this function f of x equals under root 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, firstly, what is domain? Whenever this function is defined for whatever x, that the range of x is the domain. And then what all values this function can take. Then those all values will become the range. Okay, let us take this function that let us take this term which is within the root 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Ideally, for this function to be defined, 3x square minus 4x plus 5 should be greater than or equal to 0. Right, then only the function is defined. Now, when is this greater than or equal to 0? This is the quadratic equation, right? Ax square plus bx plus c. And let us look at this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c, bx plus c. The graph of this equation will look something like this. Okay. Here, what is the vertex? This is a parabola, right? All quadratic equations are parabolas. What is the vertex? Vertex is minus b by 2a, comma c minus b square by 4a. This is the vertex. What is minus b by 2a here? Minus of minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. And c minus b square. What is c? 5 minus b square. B square is 4 into 4 by 4a. 4 into 3. Right, 5 minus 4 by 3, which is nothing but 11 by 3. Right, 3 5 is 15 minus 4, 11 by 3. So basically, what is this point? This point is 4 by 3 and 11 by 3. Okay. And b square minus 4ac is obviously less than 0. That's why this graph is never touching x-axis. The roots are imaginary roots. So now this 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is always greater than 0. Right, you can see this is always greater than 0, whichever x it takes. Whether so the domain of this function is minus infinity to infinity. Whichever x that we take, whether you take minus 100, minus 500, minus 10,000, this graph will keep on extending, right? So the graph is always defined for whatever x. So the domain is minus infinity to infinity. Now what is the range? What is the range? The minimum value of this function is what? This one, right? So minimum value of this 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is 11 by 3. So minimum value of root of 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is root 11 by 3. And what is the maximum value? Maximum value, because this is a quadratic function, it will keep increasing root of infinity, which is, it can go up till infinity. Okay. So now this is closed bracket here because 11, this point is there on the graph. Root of 11 by 3 is there on the graph. Right. So this is the range of this function. The minimum value is 11 by 3 and max can be anything. Root of whatever number, this 3x1 minus 4xy is unlimited. It can go as big as we want. And root of this thing will also will go as big as we want. Right. That is simple solution. Root 11 by 3 to infinity. This is the answer. This one. See. Please notice the close bracket.